Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. So, how are you all? I think you are all fine. So, as we know, we are learning for Python like for three parts, and till now, we have learned about the operations until the operations, right? Yeah. Now, I'm going to tell about the Python's crash course part 4, which is like the control statement type. Like, we'll know the order, the statements, and everything. Let's go. If you find the statements hard, then you can watch this video. So first of all, what is Python? Python is programming, which is how we invent through computers, like some project, right? Now if I show one of the sample of a project, like for example, I took one mind map generator. I have wrote Llama everything like this. Now if I run it, we can make projects with this. Now I'll be showing you how will be one of my app. Sometimes it'll be like this, educational games. See, I'll show everything. Now educational game, see, I made this and it comes in the application form. We can select word search. We can select memory card game. See, both are same. Both are same. Wrong. See? How it is. Math quiz. What is 7 floor division of 12? So what is the floor division? Like that. And reaction speed test. Click the box as fast. It'll be telling like that. See, like this. It is reaction time. How much time we are taking? Milliseconds. 580 milliseconds we have taken. That's what. So how is this? We can make these many apps with Python. We can make these many apps with Python. And this is one of the app which is known as the notes organization. Now I can keep any subject. I want to keep for math, which is the title is for addition, and the content is a plus b equal to c. A plus a equal to 4. B plus a by c is equal to 8. Is equal to not 8 but 8. Now c is equal to 2 into a minus 2 into b plus a plus b. Okay, now I can save the note. Now I can search like addition. If I search, I get this note. And if I want, I can show you multiple management where we write about photosynthesis. I'm showing the app so that you will also know that how to do. Photosynthesis is the process. Now if we save this, now if I search for addition, it shows. Now if I keep like this, I get the all nodes. If I want to delete, I can delete by selecting here. Delete node, yeah, and delete node, yeah. So like this you can make more apps, right? Now like this, programming is why how we invent. Now what's a statement? It is a basic unit of execution. Like it is a single command that the computer executes. For example, take print hello system. What it will be performing and what will be the output. It gives hello system. I am going to show it. Right. If you tell hello system, then it also gives hello system only, right? Now I am showing the how. Okay, I am visualizing the code again. See now, I tell. This is one of visualizer. That's what I'm using. Print hello system. Okay. Now if I visualize, it just prints hello system. Right. Now that only we'll be having some types of the statements. So in statements, the level 1, which is the part 1, are the sequential statements. Means they run line by line and they are executed by step in order from top to bottom. And there are no skipping, no decision, and no repetition. Everything, it just goes like a gravity waterfall. Like water falls down just in one direction, which falls down. Again, it doesn't come up, right? It just falls down. And it doesn't have any interruption. Just the water comes down. Like that, our code is also checked like that, like a waterfall. In this way. Now I'll show again. Now see, I am writing A equal to 1, B equal to 2, C equal to A plus B. Or else what is the question? That's what. Now we are going to print the C. Now if I visualize the execution. See, first it is taking A is equal to 1, then it is taking B is equal to 2. C is equal to A plus B. Like that, we get the output. See, it is taking line by line, right? It is taking line by line, or else it is again going up. And you can see this is the legend. What is the line which is executed, or next line to execute? It is going line by line. It's not again going up. And see, about variables. Inside Python, like these variables are stored, like A, B, C. If you want one introduction, then you can go and check out the Python Crash Course Part 2. Now every time if you use straightly, then how you are going to change a world. So every time, sometimes when our software or our app needs to take a decision or needs to make a choice, then it goes line by line, or else we have any statements. If you tell that we have statements, yeah, you're right. We need conditional statements. Conditional statements, yeah. Conditional statements are the statements which give us the decision. Means, for example, if today the rain is not there, means the rain is not falling, then I can go to play. If I do my homework, then I can chill out. Like that, our programming also should take decisions. See, it's simple. Firstly, simple if statement, like if age is 18, this is one variable, age is equal to 18, and if age is greater than or equal to 18, then you are eligible to vote. But this works when the condition is true. No alternative action. So after if statement, if it is true, it is already checked, and if it gives the value as true, then you will be having nothing but the down statement will be printed off. Now see, this is one of the thing. Okay, so here gatekeeper is there. Now if I want to go somewhere, this gatekeeper needs to go to the print statement. But if his age is greater than 18 or equal to 18, then it can pass the digital gate, or else it goes away. Understood? Right. Now I can show you some examples so that you can understand it quickly. Now I am telling now I am showing the same, but I am taking input. Now I am giving the code. If age is greater than or equal to 18, then print that you are eligible to vote. So, understand? Now let's see how it works. I am entering the age as 10. See? Now it is ticking. Now age is 10, but age is not equal to 10, so it doesn't print anything, because if the if statement is verified as a true statement, then only the statement means the code which is down of the logical expression will be printed, right? Now see, edit this code. I'm visualizing execution. Wait, I am clearing all the inputs. Now I visualize. See, now I am entering age as 20, which is more than 18. See, it checked and it is printing the statement. You have seen that? You have observed, if the if statement is verified as true, then only right, the print statement is executed. Like that, we learn about if statement. And don't forget about the syntax. If will be the firstly statement 1, statement 1, then you will be having the code which you want. So please take a screenshot if you want. Because this is one of the greater syntax. And don't forget that statement 1 is a logical statement. Logical statement means like if means it uses comparison operators. Understand? Means it uses comparison operators and logical operators. I think you learned about operators, right, in the previous session. That only. So please take a screenshot until here. Okay, good. Now we are going to the third level of statements, if else. So now it is going more trickier. Before I have told the example. Now if the gatekeeper's age is less than 18, then it goes somewhere. But that somewhere will be executed in the else block. I think I'll show you. Now this is one of the train switch. Okay. Here one guy is coming. He is asking, can I go this? Wait. Now you can vote. This track will be going to the election line. This track will be going to the non-election line. Means elections like that. You imagine. And this is here one member will be coming. And they'll be going on the tracks. Like imagine that. Then now if my age is 15, then can I go to vote? I can vote or I cannot vote. Yeah, very good. I cannot vote. Now you are seeing that if statement is true, then only we are getting one print command or we are executing. But without the without the statement, if the statement is false, then we are getting nothing, blank, right? So this is the game changer. It executes what is the false one. Like if today is sunny, then I will eat ice cream, or else I will eat hot chocolate, like that. Okay. One condition, two outcomes. It is impossible to travel on both paths, right? You need to go to only one path. Like if your age is 18, then you will go to one path, or else you have any two legs to spread to the two paths. No. So I will be explaining with the example. Now if now age is equal to int input enter your age. This is a little advanced one. Now if age greater than or equal to 18, print you can vote, else print you cannot vote. You cannot vote. Done. Now let's execute. Now I'm entering the age as 10. Submitted. Next. Now you cannot vote is printed. Why? Because if statement is not correct, it means it gave false. Now see, as if statement is false, now else statement is the left one, so it prints off the else statement. You have understand? Because interpreter checks the code line by line. I have mentioned it at the first only. So like that, it goes line by line. So that's why first it checks the if statement. If statement is false, then it prints out the else statement. Understood? Now, what is the syntax for this one? If statement 1 execution of code else what you wanted to execute, that execution will happen. And as mentioned, statement 1 can be a logical statement. which contains comparison or logical operators. I think both are similar, but I'm just mentioning. Can you take a screenshot, please? Because it will be useful for some time anywhere. Good. Thank you. Now we have the last statement, which is the if else ladder. So this is one of the tricky one, but which is very useful. See, now you have marks as 75 and you want to grade to the marks. You want to give the grade to the marks, right? For suppose one boy named Arjun got 75 marks. Now if you want to give him the grade by using the system, then you can write this code. If marks is greater than or equal to 90. What is elif? Elif is the same of if statement, but if when it is in multiple, second or more than two statements are, if statements are there, then we use suffix el. We use the suffix el, which is telling that this is another one. Now here you have 75 marks, right? Now if marks is greater than or equal to 90, print grade A. But 75 marks is not greater than or equal to 90, so it goes to elif statement and checks. But here it satisfies, right? So that's why it prints grade B. Like a coin sorter. If this is a 75 mark coin, and then it goes here, then that's why it prints grade B. So this system cascades the downward and the stops checking once a true condition is met. It gets best for grading systems, menus and categorization. Like for example, now see, now marks equal to integer of input Now if marks are greater than or equal to 90, for print grade A. Or else you can do it like grade equal to A. If marks greater than or equal to 60, grade B. If marks greater than or equal to 40, grade C. Else grade equal to F. And the last, print grade. I'm using concatenation operator plus grade. Just a variable. Now you have understood the code. Now let's visualize the execution. Wait. First edit the code. Now first let's add 75 marks. Next we'll add an input of 50 marks. Say 100 marks for 90. Fifth will be 1. 6th will be 90. 95. 7th will be 65. And the last one would be 25. Okay, done. Now let's go. See. Now this is checking. It took 75 marks. Now if marks is greater than or equal to 90, No, that's why it went to elif. But it is equal, right? To 60, that's why it took grade is B. See, it's stored. Then now it prints the grade as B. Like that again, again we want to run. Now again let's run the second one, which is 75 again. Um, Now we remove. Now we keep 50. Now see, it is not greater than or equal to 90. That's why it went to the next statement. Again, it is not correct, right? So it is checking this. The marks are greater than or equal to 40. Now his grade is C. Like that, it checks for each statement. Okay, so wait. Now this is one of your things which you need. The mind map setup. Now please take a screenshot because it may be useful at any time. The decision routing matrix. Very good. Now let's go to the architecture of choice. Now first, this is our level 1. We have checked this statement in the single line. But in the level 4, gold status, silver status, oh my god, so many choices. So what choices, what things we need, but all software from basic scripts to complex AI relies on this architecture, setting up variables sequentially, then routing them through conditional logic. I think this is not needed. Wait, we have a quiz this time. So now attend this quiz for the session to test your knowledge. Please scan the QR code and please attend the quiz. It is free of cost. Now we can go down by sequentially and if statement. But again, if we want to repeat how we need to do, we don't know that. Oh my god. Waiting for you in the part 5. So wait, what if we want to go back up? Then iterative statements will be used, which will be unlocked in the part 6. Okay, thank you. And don't forget to